Alright, the next section is going to be 5.7. I can subtract linear expressions. So it's going to be pretty similar to what we did last time, only we're going to be subtracting. So for example 1, let's do 5x plus 10 minus 3x plus 2. So again, we're looking for like terms. So I'm going to do 5x and 3x are like terms, but we're subtracting. So it's 5x minus 3x, because we're subtracting the terms here. 5x minus 3x, which is 2x. And then I have 10 minus 2, which is 8. So now I'm going to put this together into one expression. I have 2x plus 8. It is not 2x minus 8, it's 2x plus 8. We already used our subtraction here. We subtracted already. And since this is a positive 8, when I'm putting this together, I have 2x plus 8. Number 2, for number 2, let's do just another one like that. Let's do 7x plus 9 minus 2x plus 3. So 7x and 2x are like terms, and we're subtracting. So we're going to do 7x minus 2x, which is 5x. And then we'll look at our constant terms and do 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3, which is 6. So when I put this together into one expression, my solution is 5x plus 6. Because I have a 5x here and a positive 6 here. We already subtracted here and here. We don't need subtraction there. All right, for the third example, let's get a little trickier. Let's do 2x minus 4 minus 3x plus 7. So anytime I see subtraction inside the parentheses, I need to change it to adding a negative. So change the sign in the one behind. There. I'm not going to change this one. I'm still going to subtract the like terms. Alright, so I have 2x minus 3x, 2x minus 3x, and I have negative 4 minus 7. Alright, I can't do 2x take away 3x because 2 is smaller than 3, so I'm going to change the sign in the one behind. So I get negative 1x, and then that negative 4 minus 7, I change the sign in the one behind, and I get negative 11. So now when I put this together, I have negative 1x minus 11. It's a minus this time because this was a negative right here. I could say plus negative 11, then I have to simplify. I have to simplify this anyway to say negative x minus 11. This is the most simplified this one can be. We don't need the 1, and adding a negative is the same as subtracting, so it's more simplified to have just one sign in between. Let's do another one like that. Let's do, for example, 4. 4x plus 3 minus, let's do 7x minus 9. The first thing we do is we change the sign and the one behind inside the parentheses. I'm not going to change this one. Then I take my like terms. So I have 4x minus 7x, and I have 3 minus negative 9. And I'm subtracting because it's subtracting here. Then you need to change the sign in the one behind. 4x plus negative 7x is negative 3x. 3 plus Uh-oh, I did not change the sign of the one behind correctly. I should have changed the sign and the one behind. So I have 3 plus 9, which is 12. So when I put my answer together, I have negative 3x plus 12, because this is a positive 12. I only see subtraction here if this is a negative. This is a positive. If this number is positive, it's going to be a plus here, even if I had a subtraction sign right here. Okay, we're going to do one more. Let's do, so it'll be example 5. We're going to say the perimeter of a triangle is 10x plus 8 inches. Find the length of the missing side in terms of x. That means I'm going to leave an x in my answer. So it'll give you a triangle like this. It'll say maybe we don't know this side. I know this side is 2x plus 1. I know this side is 4x plus 3. Okay, I know the perimeter is 10x plus 8. That means if I add up all 3 sides, I'm going to get 10x plus 8. So if I need to find this missing side, I need to do 10x plus 8 minus these two. I'm going to add those two first like we practiced last time. So 4x plus 3 plus 2x plus 1. And these are like terms, so I get 6x. Sorry, I'm going to show my work. 4x plus 2x equals 6x, and 3 plus 1 equals 4. So together those add up to 6x plus 4. So if I want to find the missing side, I have to do 10x plus 8 minus 6x plus 4. So I'm going to write that down. I have 10x plus 8, the whole perimeter, minus the sum of the two other sides. I'm going to look for like terms. 10x and 6x are like terms, so I have 10x minus 6x because I'm subtracting here. And then 8 minus 4 because I'm subtracting here again. 10x minus 6x is 4x. 8 minus 4 is 4. So I have 4x plus 4 inches. And I'm leaving my answer in terms of x, so I'm leaving an x in my answer because the directions said to up here.